In this video, I am going to tell you about how to install WAN 2.1 locally on your system. So just go to pinocchio.computer and click on download. I am using Windows, so I am going to click on here. If you are using Mac, just click on. You will get the download link from here. So I am using Windows, so I am going to click on here and just download. So I have already downloaded it. So after it is downloaded, just go to your downloaded folder, extract it and double click on it. You will get the option to, and it will get installed. So okay, and just search here Pinocchio, open it and just go to here discover tab, click on here, type here WAN 2.1. So you will get this. Just click here and click on the download, and whatever name you want to put, I am keeping it as a default, and click on download. It will start the download. So I'm going to install it, and it will take some time to install. I have already installed it. So in this way you can install WAN 2.1 and get started.